Shua baki election jet MP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Kranang Hajan mat kejingelap election ban panji kersan ki sengsan pertai yala u Kyrtong baki Ïakhun kala Kranang be bat syongshit hapo kerulum khasi bat jantia. Haba ki donru ki riu Shimet kumopau menta kila Khih Khohkreh ban mi aireng lem hagnek election MP kumopau menta Uwei urang ba ya ubalatip Kyrtong uba Peter Shilam Ubadiu advocate ka Shillong Bar Association ulapan benayal de baunmi madan Ïakhun yak MP election sa Lok Sabha na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Yak ne ulapan bena sa ginong tho kubor menta kasni ka khatsan trik rempang uba Peter ulong baularai Ïakhun kumu Kyrtong Shimet bat kwa ban sim kebu na kinu ki parti na ban kentho yaki weki Kyrtong. Ulong karai balapan long yau baunmi madan Ïakhun kalong banra banweng yikijinge jong kipai ba kajela.
Let me tell my names. Kyrtong junga kade ba Peter Shalam. Ngashong ngasa ha lakwat. Nga tray menta kom advocate jong Shillong Bar Association. Te nga done haki government service for the last 20 years plus menchwa. Nga trace ki rural kamtam iki time yong soyong consensus te yamta nga kwa ban rung ya politics na kanono ka political party and re nga one ban rung ya politics through as independent candidates ngam kwa ban sim kabu ya kajing dan pa ki party hangne re nga kwa bangan pan pau ya ka partai banga dan ya kata ka mensim ban kit ya ka jaj ban riau lemba yakani ga ensuing election ke banwan tajong araja afsa. Let the people know na part iki press iki media iki print pat iki electronics bakin pau iki khubor iki pai ba ang suksnong iki conferency ba kintip namar ba kedan ki sensitive borders ka kwa ban kren ba kita ki sensitive borders ki dai kita ki borders ki ba amsha ban sha rong no akal ki jom ki sha pandi kejing shu ya thu khana sha surok sengkin hapo ba khamia kali hapo ba block la shu tem su di jinwai. I don't want to talk about those voters. Na krenta iki sensitive voters ki ba perkhat ya ka yap ba ya im jong ka state jong as a whole, especially nga bawan na ta Shillong parliamentary seats na wa ban mai ki break button ha kini ki live really ki legislative assembly constituencies. So that bakini ki sensitive voters na da ki don tang kin ya ro kadai ki voters ki bala shim ya ka jingrai pan chu thak pulmal ya ka bot jki na kata kata ma korpa namba jki ba pin kran man pin pasat jki ba ki bots what pen no ai lada philang ya ki no no ki candidates lada pila khat ki no ki political party ki bot jki what red ai you like ban yang na do step nyau bje ha do ba kan dakot ka polling day but pen kam ya ka bot jki ya no sensitive candidate ba ubat skran ya ka sensitivity juga politics ubat dan ya kata ka ki ong ya kata ka political maturity hu menta bon kim dan kita ka political maturity ki shuan ya ka lempung jong ka election kim tip what is politics is all about pakya kat banwan politics kamne kamru ka pasuk you no candidate na da umdai ubriu bala Khohkreh na kata na one da ka jingshur Ïakhun ya ka ne election MP na ka Shillong parliamentary seat Tangni I Uwei and Uwei Shibon. Thank you very much. Fine. Kung kata ka jingkali ketika good questions. Ngawan hang ne da ka jingtmu ban penklam yo no candidates. Ngawan hang ne ban highlights tang ya ka position na jong bro candidate bawan manta jong Shillong parliament they are a giant. Jong papana, jong kong ampurin, jong Dr. Ricky. Kita ki bit ki baki brio ki iwit reng awan ngam ban kentha you know nang no ban kdok ti ya ki klot jong no namar upai ba la dab je ki 3-4 times upai ba au kham start mat nang ne chakmat yano ban jet yang ha joko arusau bat yano ban pensiong no pade kap dei ka bor jama nang asuan pensat upai ba ngatrua yang syau ki pai ba ngamong bangan bangan penkelam jauh pala ni kaum print di dalam ki respectable position ki ba kacela kala sei hakini snam ki balai Yung ang Ukraine kala long do long snap yung since on college time. Namar bang yung idea leader yung KSU na do kapor yung babul. Mar sendiri juga Michael Sim kumpulan yang KSU one babul. Nado kapor babul gila puli lang ako law college Uwei BSc di UPE. Harta kapor. Tinggi puli lang lang nang the U represent you nado ketu kapor kala rung kemensim on politics ngirum kemensim ban syakri ya kajat riau harta kapor. Dia suki-suki anda kala ya kapor kita itu ngila rung maskikam ngila rung ngila lang ki family man ngila hapet ya ki ngisam ngila kian shipor ya politics makane kapor bakala poi bat mentang ba kala I kapor ya it's very high time to come to politics. Baka politics mentang I bakilawan ditang ki riu dan spa. Ringawan sini aja ke politics. Kom upriu ubam day by naka background ya ke spa. Kadai ka ngos changan bangadan ka laka jong ka iktir. Laka jong ka jing soto syai. Baka politics kam syong ka jing pahu jo ka spa. Kapan kersian. Wan baca ka politics tangkom upata politicians uba nganyekit ya ba ya kalengkor kapangayu I ngajaun mat habang apit ya kajat pendiri lojong mamla syu bangen and they through politics maybe mala manle hakini kindak tem bangan ang lakat bangan ang klan tangsyan si ka ILP kadai ka isu kepala selama mabalik ke Sarkar India ka kentat ya kini. Namar even the resolutions of the 60 members House nem uba ladap jangka MDA 1 kila pas the resolutions daka sau reformat ini ba ka kwa no bangin yo ya ILP. Balai ba ka Sarkar India kampadang ya ILP. Namar bi hangtai ba UMP upadan hangtai umdan lang bat kita ki ong ki light minded party ki badan hangtai kum ki DMK lani kum kinyo ki political party ki bari ki pan kersan ka boys yung uha pa parliament so that marway hangtai amla ayang so that latanga long malaman kan dakaba in consortium with the light minded political party ki badan ki members hangtai makin support ikini ka ya kan ki issues ko lang sensitive ki jai pandiri ni bang ni kwa bangin yo ya ka jingya da ka bakar pang through ILP namar ka ILP tingtang ki ong ni ka outdated ka bagumlong su banyak kana 21st century abang lapit ba kadang dai ka batang don kam palat ada wei ka ILP ada ja na gi jai pandiri ki dantang life sang lak ada ka ja kan ki jai pandiri ni kom ki red Indians ditang ILP ki ba beda kini ki mechanism ki bawan kum ki safety ki ren kini kita ki bagi introduce kini lalu nano ki ba ka alpi ka don ka systems ka bayada ka jat pendria kata kata ki jingin wat utai yang tai kini ki rulum jingi bayo ka alpi ki am ngale le ngin weng wat namar bateng teng in the names of tourism ni ngin haweng ka alpi ok ya alpi ka de bayada ka jat pendria I stand before you with a sense of purpose and determination as I declare my candidacy for the upcoming Lok Sabha election from Shillong parliamentary seats. Shillong parliamentary seats, which constitute of 36 legislative assembly constituencies, are a rich tapestry of culture and history. Therefore, it deserves strong and dedicated representation at the national level. I have decided to step forward to be the voice for this parliamentary seat, to address the unique challenges it faces and to champion the dreams and aspirations of its people. Let us talk about the issues that matter most. Infrastructures. We see the infrastructure in our parliamentary is a very serious. We have see recently also we see that in the news that the NH6 in the East Jati Hills was being a problem. Even it comes to the knowledge of the courts and like the village like Pertakuna village, Dona Umblo village, and Sachara, Maridor, Nasa. And the courts observes that the picture of the bridge as annexed, even to the naked eye, appears to be impassable and unfit for the vehicular movement. You see the conditions of the road infrastructures especially in the jungles, is very in shambles. So that as candidates of the parliamentary seats, the issues which was before me, I'll address the public transport and other essential infrastructures, health care, education. We see education also here in Meghalaya has made a very small improvement in the latest performance grade index (PGI). The Union Ministry of Education ranked our state at the bottom of the last years. Meghalaya has been ranked as the second lowest among the states and the Union Territory in the latest ranking. So that education scenario also Meghalaya is not up to the mark. Next, employment. Employment also is a very the youths, educated youth of our state as a whole is a very rally was being held at Raimukra to highlight the problems of the unemployment of the youths. This clearly indicates that the unemployment in our state is very high. So that as the MP, I want to address the employment issues of this region. Environment also is a very not ecological balance, so that the rampant stone mining, sands mining, and even the coal mining is very rampant to destroy the environment.